Hi, my name is Chloe and thanks for stopping by to my channel. I'm going to take you guys real quick through a quick yoga sequence. This is perfect just for those times where it's like, whoa, I just need a quick reset, or whoa, like I only have 10-15 minutes to sort of get in my body and get prepared for the day. It feels so good to take time for ourselves, even if it is only like 5 or 10 minutes a day. So this practice is going to be quick. We're going to just get right into it, and we're going to be flowing through some vinyasas, and then we're going to call it a day so that we can move on. All right, let's just get started here. Come to standing at the top of your mat, toes together, heels slightly apart, hands reach down, engage the body. Close the eyes here for a minute. Big inhale, breath, and open mouth, exhale. Then seal the mouth. Inhale through the nose. And begin the Ujjayi breath. Exhale out the nose, constricting the back of the throat. Take just one moment here to set your intention for this practice. It's going to be quick, it's going to be short, but you still want it to be purposeful. You'll get so much more out of it. So maybe give yourself one word, and maybe that one word will be what you're focusing on for the rest of the day. Maybe that's love, maybe it's flow, maybe it's expansion, maybe it's feeling grounded. Take one big breath in, and with your exhale, just seal that intention into your body. Inhale, reach up, hands come up overhead, and exhale, fold, bend the knees. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, step back into a plank position. Inhale here, exhale, drop all the way down to the belly. Inhale, cobra pose. Pull the heart through. Exhale, down. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down. Just warming up the spine. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Push back into a child's pose. Big inhale, breath here. Maybe open mouth, exhale. Let it go. Big inhale, breath. One more. Open mouth, exhale. Let it go. Inhale, come up to hands and knees. Gather your strength here for a second. Exhale all your air. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine, cat-cow. So inhale, drop the belly, cow pose, and exhale, cat. Inhale, drop the belly, and exhale, cat. Inhale, drop the belly, and exhale, cat. Inhale, drop the belly, cow. Stay here, tuck the toes under, lift the knees, and then push back from there into a downward dog. So keeping that openness, keeping that expansion in the body for this practice. Inhale, right leg comes up. Exhale, bring it through, back foot spins down, 45-degree angle. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, lean back, maybe only a little bit right here, keeping that bend in that front leg. And then exhale, come up to straight. Take a big inhale, breath here. And exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, come up to warrior one. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two, open it up. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle pose, dropping that hand inside that right foot. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. So quickly just finding movement here. Inhale and exhale, getting the spine warmed up. Inhale, reverse warrior, straighten that front leg, reach towards the corner of the room, and exhale, windmill your hands down into a plank position. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva. Exhale, adho mukha svanasana. Inhale, left leg comes up. Exhale, bring it through, warrior one. Inhale. And exhale, finding just a little back bend. Inhale, come back up to straight. Exhale, hover the chest over that thigh, airplane arms. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, warrior. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, warrior. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Only for a moment. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle pose. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle pose. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. One more. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle pose. Inhale, reverse as you straighten that front leg, say ah. And exhale, windmill the hands down into a plank position. Drop the knees down. Inhale, cow pose, drop the belly. Exhale, cat, round the spine. Inhale, drop the belly. Look up. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, drop the belly, look up, stay. Tuck the toes under. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg comes up. Exhale, bring that leg through. Drop the back knee down. Crescent pose with the knee down. Inhale, hands come up overhead. Drop the shoulder blades down the back. Exhale, find an open twist. And inhale, come back up to center. Square off the shoulders. And exhale, twist. Looking back at that right hand if you can. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. It's so good. Exhale to find movement and squeezing and twist in the morning. Inhale. And exhale, twist. Drop that right hand down. Lift that left hand up. Inhale. Reverse. And exhale. Moving your hands down. Engage that left foot and step into a plank. Big inhale. And exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg comes up. Exhale, bring it through. Drop that knee down, that right knee down. Inhale to crescent pose. Shoulder blades down the back. Inhale, reach up nice and tall, engaging the core. And exhale, find that twist, maybe looking back at that left arm. Inhale, straighten out. And exhale, twist. Inhale. So with each exhale, really squeeze out the air, squeeze out the organs. Inhale. Flushing out all those toxins from the day before. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Drop that left hand down. Right arm reaches up. Inhale. Reverse. And exhale. Windmill your hands down. Come into your tabletop position. Come to sitting onto your thighs. And then come up to standing on your thighs. We will take a camel's pose here to help just energize us for the day. So fingertips are at your lower spine. You want to be careful here. It is still early and you may still be very not warm yet. So maybe you just stay here, working on just these micro movements of opening up your heart. Or maybe you can go down a little bit further. Maybe you can go all the way down, grabbing onto one ankle and the next. Wherever you are, just breathe. Relish in the expansion of your body. Heart openers are so great for energizing you, especially in the morning. Actually, I tend not to do back bends at night in my nighttime practice because it just energizes me too much. Take one more breath. Exhale slowly wherever you are, using your hands to protect your back. Come into a seated position and come into a counter position. So I just love bringing my forehead to the ground and grabbing onto my heels, rounding the spine for a second. Then inhale, come up to seated, and let's just come onto our back. We'll go through bridge pose and wheel, do a quick little stretch, and then that's going to be it for today. So quick, easy, but it gets the trick done. So just roll onto your back, bring your feet hips distance apart, reach back for the heels. Inhale, exhale, send your hips up, walking the biceps underneath the body. Pressing the biceps into the ground will lift your heart up even more. Release the tension in the glutes. Release the tension in the toes. Maybe lift up the toes and wiggle them around. Send your heart towards the back of the room. The back of the neck is long. So no looking to the right, no looking to the left. Just be in your body here for a moment. Big inhale breath. And exhale, see if you can keep that height that you build with the inhale. So inhale, build height. And exhale, hold that height. One more, inhale, a little bit higher. And exhale, hold. And then make your way all the way down. You can do bridge pose again, or for more energy and more strength, bring your hands by the ears. Inhale, come up into Urdhva Dhanurasana. So wiggling out, I love to nod my head yes and nod my head no here to release the jaw, because my jaw has no part in this posture. And really just focus on the bottom of your shoulder blades being what pushes your heart up. So really finding that heart expansion here, that energy. Take an inhale breath. Hold for the exhale. One more, inhale. Full exhale as you contract the belly. And then slowly make your way down vertebra by vertebra. Always being gentle and slow with the body. When you're ready, bring the knees into the chest. Give them a big squeeze. Now, I love doing this next posture because it's so great for just getting a nice spinal twist. Especially in the morning, we are, like I said, we need to flush out all of our toxins. So these twists and all that is really good. So bring your feet up. We're not doing crunches, I swear. Just bring your feet up into this 90-degree angle. Take your left leg, wrap it over the right, and come into eagle bound. Now bring your hands out to cactus arms. And just exhale, bring those legs over to the right. As you drop that left shoulder down even more, finding this nice sort of just stretch and expansion for your spine and for your lower back. Maybe you bring I love to bring my right hand, and I like to just gently pull and twist myself open even more as I place that hand onto my knees. Keeping your neck nice and long. Big inhale breath. Exhale, see if you can squeeze and wring out some more air, even more so than before. Then inhale, bring it back up to center. Bring the legs back out to neutral, and then just switch sides. So wrapping the right over the left, and then just drop those legs to the left. Keep awareness on this right shoulder. Drop it down. You don't want to lift it up. Maybe taking that left hand and really drawing those knees down even more. I always get a nice pop here or two on my lower back that feels really good. Nice release. Big inhale, breath, fill up the body, fill up the belly. And exhale, fall and squeeze even more. One more inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, come back up through center. Hug your knees into your chest. Rock up and down the spine. Maybe 3 or 4 times. This energizes the back body. It gets your kidneys going. It says hello to all your organs. Come up to a seated position. We're going to end our practice here in this seated position. We're going to do one more thing though. First, we're going to do breath of fire. I love breath of fire because it really energizes you. And so this is going to be a great thing to sort of just finish this practice off with. So what breath of fire is it is a sharp contraction of the belly on each exhale. So in breath of fire, we are building up a lot of heat in the body. We're helping the body sort of flush all these toxins and move things around. It's so great for when you're feeling stagnant. So we're not going to worry about the inhale breath. It will come naturally. We're going to focus on doing these sharp exhales. So we're going to breathe in and out of our nose, and we're going to go. So I'm not focusing on my inhales. I'm just focusing on contracting my body, or contracting my core, and really just squeezing out all the air. So bring your hands into a fist, but then release the thumbs. So the thumbs are out, and just bring your hands up overhead in a V shape. Take a big inhale breath through the nose, and open mouth exhale. Let it go. We'll begin. Big inhale. Exhale, breath of fire. Going as slow or as fast as you need. Just breathe out those sharp exhales. About 20 more seconds. Ten, 5, 4, 3, you got it, 2, 1. Exhale all your air, squeeze the belly out. Then inhale, hands come up to heart center. Bring your right hand on your heart, your left hand on your belly. Big inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Take a moment here with your eyes closed to really just relish in that fire and that strength and that energy that you just built. And now take that energy and that strength and that force with you into your day. Bring both hands to heart center. Take a big inhale breath. And exhale, we bow forward and say namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in that little morning practice, guys. I hope that built strength and energy and brought more life to your body and got you ready for your day. Please like this video so that I can continue making more videos and that other people can see my videos. And also subscribe to my channel and click that little bell button so that you get notified every single time I come out with a free yoga class for you, or some good recipes for you to try that are going to really nourish and strengthen your body. That is all I have for you today. Have an amazing day at work or at school or whatever you guys are doing, and I will hopefully see you in another one of my yoga sequences. Okay, bye.